The Mangyan farmers of Oriental Mindoro are undergoing seminars on farming. Oriental Mindoro Representative Alfonso Umali Jr. has signed a memorandum of agreement to help them improve their produce. The Mangyan farmers have been badly affected by the typhoons that hit the province. Umali said this initiative will help them start anew. The seminar became possible with the help of Ramgo International Corporation. The lawmaker expressed gratitude to military personnel for their help. Umali also thanked his son, Carlo, for being involved in the project.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.